Hola amigos, buenos dias. Mag-harvest kami ni Don Pedro ng aming dinner for tonight. Okay, ito po ay ang courgette. Ito, i-harvest natin ngayon. Marami na siyang bunga, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. May isang bulok.
Yeah, you just pull them straight out.
This one. This.
Yeah.
Not too far. That's this one?
Yeah, perfect.
All of it?
No, just take off like a handful.
How many handful? Oh, this one. Oh, I thought. Yeah, this is basil.
It's a lemon basil or something like. It's a special basil. I can't think. Yeah, take them both off.
Alright.
There we go.
We harvest today.
Dinner tonight.
Okay. This dinner is all from our garden. The pepper, the what is it? Courgette, the onions,
Dill,
dill, this
garlic,
garlic, except the
mint.
Amigos, let's eat! Talap, talap, talap is one of my favorite. Don Pedro's specialty. Don't Tabasco?
I forgot.
We don't have Tabasco.
No. Come on.
Pag may tinanim, merong dinner. Amigos, kahit walang kanin, mabubusog ka. Diba? Ito lang. Courgette, tsaka yung mga gulay-gulay, plus the beef. Busog na. Hindi no need for rice, diba? Ang sarap. Done. Sarap.